Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I say welcome. For those of you that have been here, thank you so much for being here. Now in this video, we're going to talk about how to wind your thread to your bobbin. Okay, I know that most of the beginners in the house will do this in a local method by using their hands to thread the bobbin. This can be stressful, and I am here to show you easier way that you can achieve this. Okay, if you watch your machine, there is a balance wheel which I just touched, and there is also a bobbin winder. So you can use any of these two to fill up your bobbin. Okay, now using the bobbin winder, you just need to put your bobbin into that attachment there and you press it down. Okay, when you press it down, that way it stays, and you're going to control the thread while you roll your thread. So as you move your thread, the wheel moves and the bobbin winder also moves. Mine is not moving right now, it's stuck because it's been long I used it. Okay, so this is one way you can fill up your bobbin. So the second way is by using your balance wheel. This is the most used method and the quickest. Okay, I like it so much. So all you have to do is get any tool that can go through your bobbin, be it broom, be it screwdriver, be it anything. Then you're going to start pedaling. Okay, you're going to start pedaling. So as you pedal, okay, your balance wheel moves, and you're going to press your bobbin against the balance wheel. Okay, you're pressing it against the balance wheel, then your right hand controls the thread into the bobbin. So your left hand is the one holding and pressing the bobbin to the balance wheel, while your right hand controls the thread. Okay, as you can see, the hole there will pass into the screwdriver or the let's say needle or any other tool you're using. Okay, so you're going to keep going that way. Okay, you control the thread with your hand and it keeps going and getting full until it's full, then you stop. All right, I've succeeded in filling up this bobbin within the twinkle of an eye. Okay, if you were doing the traditional method of using your hand to fill it up, I know it might take you an hour or so. You don't have such luxurious time to waste, right? So when you're done, this should be filled up and be tightened. All right, and it's ready to be used. Okay, soulmate, I hope you've learned one or two things in this video. Thank you for staying with me in this video. I love you all. Bye bye, and see you in the next video.